Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well and good. Today, I am going to discuss with you the question and answer of the story The Enemy. Students, the first question is, why did Sadao treat the American soldier even though it was an unpatriotic act on his part? Now, answer is that the Sadao treated the American prisoner of war because, as a doctor, he was trained to save lives. He could not have let the injured soldiers die even though he was his national enemy, as that would have been against his professional ethics. Now, student, next question. Question number 2. How did Hannah help Dr. Sadao? Answer. Hannah was an impeccable wife and stood by her husband in all his decisions. She helped Dr. Sadao when he was operating upon the enemy and also nursed and washed the prisoner herself when the servants had flatly refused to do so. Next question. Why did the general not order immediate arrest of Dr. Sadao, who had sheltered a white man? Answer. The general did not usually keep in good health and trusted no other surgeon but Dr. Sadao in his time of need and could have needed his service any time. This is why he did not order immediate arrest of the doctor for harboring an enemy in his house. Now, next question. Question number 4. What forced Dr. Sadao to be impatient and irritable with his patient? Answer. The wounded white man urgently needed an operation as he was critically injured. Hannah was with Sadao when he started operating on the prisoner. Hannah, who had never seen an operation in her life, vomited at the sight of blood. Sadao wanted to help her in her distress, but he could not leave his patient. This made him impatient and irritable. Now, next question. What made a cool surgeon like Sadao speak sharply to his wife, and what was her reaction? Answer. Hannah had never seen an operation before. When Dr. Sadao started operating, blood began to flow. Hannah choked at this moment. Sadao sharply told her not to faint because if he had stopped, the wounded man would surely have died. Hannah clasped her hands to her mouth and ran out. Sadao heard her vomit. Now, next question. Why had Hannah to wash the wounded man herself? Or why did Hannah wash the wounded soldier herself? Answer. Hannah had to wash the wounded man herself because her servants and even her maid-servants flatly refused to wash an enemy American out of superstition and fear. Next question. Question number 7. How did Dr. Sadao ensure that the American sailor left his house but he himself remained safe and secure? Answer. The night the man escaped as per the plan, Dr. Sadao slept well. One evening, standing on the veranda, Dr. Sadao looked toward the island. There was no signal of the flashlight. It meant that the man had gone safe on a Korean fishing boat. In this way, he ensured the Americans' departure and his own safety and security. Now, next question. How does the writer indicate that Dr. Sadao's father was a very traditional and conventional man? Answer. Sadau's education had been his father's chief concern, who even sent him to America at the age of 22 to study surgery and medicine. Sadau's father was a true patriot and took immense pride in Japanese culture and traditions. That is why Sadao married Hana only after confirming that she was a Japanese, as he did not want to upset his father. This suggests that Sadao's father was a very traditional and conventional man. Next question. Why did the messenger come to Datta Sadao? What did Hana think about it? Answer. The messenger had come to Datta Sadao's house to inform him that the old general was in pain again and had to be attended to. When Hana first saw the uniformed messenger, she got frightened, for she thought that he had come to arrest her husband for harboring an enemy in their house. Next question. Why did the general spare the American soldier? Answer. The general spared the American soldier because he was a selfish man. He thought of nothing but his own life. He needed Sadaus for his operation and he forgot about his promise in his pain. Question number 11. Why was Dr. Sadao not sent to the battlefield? Answer. Dr. Sadao was not sent abroad with the troops because the ailing general trusted no other surgeon but Dr. Sadao and could have needed his expert services anytime. Next question. How did Sadao get rid of the enemy soldier? Answer. That Sadao planned out everything beforehand. He put his boat on the shore with food and extra clothing. He asked the American prisoner of war to row to a little island near the coast and then wait for a Korean ship to pass. He also gave the American his flashlight complete with instructions on how to signal him in a time of distress. Now, next question. What secret plan did the general have about the American soldiers staying under the care of Saddam? Answer. The general planned to get the American soldiers staying under the care of Dr. Saddam assassinated by his private assassins. He assured the doctor about the removal of the dead body also. Next question. Hana told Yumi to wash the soldier. How did Yumi react? Answer. When Hana asked Yumi to wash the soldier, she bluntly refused to do so, saying that she had never washed a white man and she would not wash a dirty one. Yumi obstinately told Hana that she was a poor person and did not want to associate with the man. The next question. Why did the servants leave Dr. Sadao's house? Answer. The servants left Dr. Sadao's house because they did not approve of the white man staying in the surgeon's house. They thought that Sadao's stay in America during his education had erased all his sentiments for his country. Also, they did not want to be in trouble with the authorities if Sadao was arrested as a traitor. Now, next question. And these are long questions. Students, I must tell you that enemy is a story from which every year one or more questions actually asked. So probably a 6 marks question, most of the time asked. So therefore, you please you learn the facts and I will tell you the most most of the many other questions I will discuss with you. First question, 16th question. What was the general's plan to get rid of the American prisoner? Was it executed? What traits of general's character are highlighted in the lesson? Answer. Dr. Sadao informed the general about the presence of the American prisoner at his house. The general decided that his private assassins would take care of him and even take his body away. Sadao agreed to the general's proposal. However, the general's assassins did not arrive for the next 3 days. Consequently, the general's plan was not executed. Sadao spent 3 restless nights in waiting for the assassins. Ultimately, he helped the prisoners escape. When Sadao informed the general about the escape of the prisoner, the general replied that he was sick and thus forgot about the whole affair. He further wanted that Sadao must not inform anybody about this. This shows that the general was highly selfish. He had regard only for his own safety and pride. Also, he did not send Sadao to the battlefield as he needed his services himself. He considered himself more important than the lives of thousands of soldiers. Now, next question. What conflicting ideas arise in Dr. Sadao's mind after he has brought the wounded American soldier home? How is the conflict resolved? Answer. From the day that Sadao found the wounded soldier outside his house, he had been caught up in a web of conflicts and difficulties. The first difficulty arose when Sadao decided to operate upon the soldier. He was caught between his duty as a doctor and loyalty towards his nation. Nonetheless, Sadao emerged a champion in this regard. As an ethical and sincere doctor, he saved the life of the soldier, and as a responsible citizen, he also informed the general about the presence of the soldier. Next, when the general's men did not arrive to kill the enemy, Sadao was again caught in a conflict as to how to get rid of the white man. White man means कि American soldier. His innate virtues of compassion and benevolence forbade him from killing the man. Thus, he decided to let the prisoner escape by sending him off to an unguarded island. This is how Dr. Sadao successfully resolved the conflict. Now, next question. Do you think Dr. Sadao's final decision was the best possible one in the circumstances? Why? Why not? Explain with reference to the story The Enemy. Answer. Dr. Sadao's final decision was the best possible one in the given circumstances. He has the instincts of a doctor. When Tom, the prisoner of war, was found wounded, the first thing he did was to save his life. As a doctor, he was duty bound to save lives. Next, he completed the duty towards his nation by informing the general about the presence of the prisoner. But finally, he helped the enemy escape. His compassionate heart rose above the narrow confines of hatred and war. As a doctor, Sadao could not have left the wounded prisoner of war unattended, and so he decided to operate upon him and saved his life. However, at the same time, he discharged his duty towards his nation by informing the general about the enemy. And finally, the surgeon helped the enemy escape because his compassionate heart forbade him to kill the same person whom he had saved. Next question. What impression do you form about Dr. Sadao as a man and as a surgeon on your reading the chapter The Enemy? Our answer. After going through the chapter The Enemy, we come to the conclusion that Dr. Sadao was an excellent surgeon and a human being par excellence. He appeared to be a man full of compassion and a surgeon in the truest sense of the word. Although he had a bitter experience of Americans being prejudiced when he was a student in America, he did not let the bitterness overwhelm him, and the doctor and the fine human being in him prevailed. He knew that if being found that he had harbored an American POW, in POW means prisoner of war, Yudhbandi, in his own house, Tai would be labeled, he would be labeled a traitor. His conscience did not permit to let a human being die before his eyes, and he took the risk of being called a traitor. It was not that he was a traitor. He promptly informed the general about the whole incident. It showed that he was not a coward. He was ready to face the consequences. Now, next question. Why did Sadao help the American soldier to escape? How did he do it? Answer. Sadao expertise in his profession and compassion as a human being were his most dominant personality traits. As a dutiful soldier, he could not have let the prisoner die of his injuries, and so he saved his life. At the same time, he acted like a responsible citizen and informed the general of the presence of the enemy. However, when the general's men and did not come to kill the American, Sadao decided to save his life. Dr. Sadao gave his boat to the young soldier, arranged food for him, and provided him valuable information which helped him escape successfully. This is how Sadao flee. Sadao helped the American soldier flee and thereby saved his life. Question number 21. Why did Sadao Hoki go to America? Narrate his experience there. Sadao Hoki went to America to study surgery and medicine as it was the wish of his father. His experience of living in America was not very good, but he was grateful to have some good professors who taught him so well. Also, he was grateful to the professor at whose home he had met Hannah and immediately liked her. But he did not like the smell of their food, their small room, and the wife of his professor, who was very talkative. Although she tried hard to be kind, initially he had faced great difficulty in finding a place to live in America because he was a Japanese. He perceived that Americans were full of prejudice, and for him it was a bitter experience to live with them. Now, next question. Dr. Sadao was compelled by his duty as a doctor to help the enemy soldier. What made Hannah, his wife, sympathetic to him in the face of open defiance from the domestic staff? No answer. As a doctor, it was Dr. Sadao's moral responsibility to save Tom, the American prisoner of war. But Hannah was under no such compulsion. In spite of this, she abided by her husband's decisions because she was a dutiful wife who pledged to support her husband even though the most difficult times. Secondly, Hannah, being a woman, was soft-hearted. She could not see a wounded person being left in the lurch, As a woman, she adorned the role of a life giver and a preserver. She could not have been a destroyer. That is why she cleaned the prisoner when her maid was unwilling to do so. She also assisted her husband in the operation of on the American, despite the fact that she could not stand the blood and started vomiting when she saw it. She was thus a dutiful wife and life giver. Okay, student, thank you very much for listening and watching this video. And I hope that the next time I will bring the another video with a new chapter. And please learn all these answers and understand it and make your own answer out of these answers. And I hope so कि you will do the well and have a good day and happy learning.